This beautifully updated 1.5-story home, nestled on just under an acre in the sought-after Northwest Allen County School District, could be what you've been searching for. Offering 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, this home combines comfort and functionality. The property features a 3-car attached garage and a 2-car detached garage equipped with heating, cooling, and a convenient half bath, ideal for a workshop or hobby space. Inside, natural light fills the living space. The eating kitchen is perfect for unleashing your inner chef, featuring stainless steel appliances, a center island, newer quartz countertops, and custom tile backsplash. The main floor hosts a spacious primary bedroom offering a tranquil retreat. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms and a versatile loft space, which could be an office or play area. Outside, the large backyard patio and 3 seasons room offers privacy and a relaxing atmosphere. Don't miss the opportunity to make this house your home. Call Jim Owen to schedule your personal tour.